Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Southside Tech, and today we're going to look at the Ring Video Doorbell. I believe this is the second edition here. And with that, we have the anti-theft video doorbell mount. So because I live in an apartment complex, we can't drill any holes or anything to the wall. So let's give it a try. So I'll skip all the main steps of registering my Ring doorbell on the app, so it's ready to go. So let's take a look at what we have in the box here. Let's take a look. All right, well, plastic packaging. Let's take a look. Let's get rid of the box here. Feels pretty heavy. Definitely pretty heavy. Right. Let's see what we got here. So I'm guessing which part goes on the door. Okay, so it'll be like that. This part will screw against your door. So let's get it way back for now. And they come with a few bricks here. I'm wondering how will it fit. Oh, and there's some more padding here. So let's give this a try. We have some instructions, screwdriver, and some screws here. Okay, nothing else in the packaging. Let's take a look here. So it includes 4 foam gap fillers and 3 for my ring. I'm guessing, so these 4 screws will go in the back of here to enclose it in the casing. Let me make sure these things aligned correctly. Okay, so they do align. Okay, let's give this a shot. Alright, so based on the manual, whoa, some more. Okay, let's see how this works. Step number 1. So place your video doorbell system face down in the container. And then you use the included foam braces on the sides and behind the doorbell to secure it in place. All right, let's see if this fits. So let's place it face down. I think we'll need a foam at the bottom. Okay, so we have foam at the bottom. And it looks like there's a little gap at the top. So it looks like one at the top. My only concern is with the bottom is there's actually a speakerphone for the ring at the bottom. So maybe I won't do the bottom like that. Maybe I could do it like this and secure it from the top like so. Yeah, see that? It should give enough gap for the audio to escape and be audible. Now this is for the sides. I hope I'm doing this right. So it looks like okay. So far so good. Got a little foam at the top. Okay, and what do I do with these? Do they just fill in the back, I guess? And guys, you may do it a different way. I am totally new at this, so forgive me if I'm messing up a little bit. Alright, I am back. My clock was going off. Alright, so we have the foam. I can't find any purpose else for the foam besides the back mount. I guess I'll leave two here. I'm wondering if I can squeeze one more at the top. Can we? Maybe not. Yeah, not happening. Okay, so I'll just leave these two here. Let's see how this holds into place. Oh, actually, we may need this so it can press against the back plate. We'll elevate it. So I'm stacking them up against the back piece. Just make sure that someone can't just push your Ring Doorbell backwards, but it looks like it's still pushable. Let's try anyway. Let's try to screw this in place and see if this works. So we got 4 screws. And yes, I know I put that yellow paper there. Maybe not a good idea, but let's give it a shot. Okay. Okay, I think we're getting some compression there. Okay, one side done. Let's do another side. There we go. I hope I'm doing it right. And I wonder, I have extra screws as well. Maybe they included extra screws for this. But we'll see. Okay. That side's done. Before I screw the rest, let's see. Okay. So you can't push the doorbell in, which is good. So let's finish the rest. And then when I'm done, I'll mount it to my door and show you guys the finished product here. So let's screw this piece in. And again, guys, this mount was on Amazon for about $25, but you may find some cheaper models and variants out there. The only downside with the apartment, you can't have any power source going to the Ring Doorbell. And I was thinking about running a cable from here and through it and mounting a battery pack, but it would be too much of a hassle. Maybe I still can through this hole, but we'll see. So running the last screw here. Okay, that's pretty tight. Okay, next step. Your video doorbell must be centered. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's centered. With equal amounts of foam on both sides. Well, you may do it better than me, but let's see. So this is the finished product. I'm going to mount this on my apartment door. My only concern is the audio. That should be some holes here, but there is none. Let's press the button. Okay, that looks good. Well, at least it works. So we'll leave our mount there. We'll save our screws, just in case we need them later. And our tool in the ring box. So again, this is how it looks at first. Well, the finished product. Okay, and I'll be taking another video of the finished product, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've secured the back plate against the door, and we'll take a look at the front. And there you go.